Hey guys, it's Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be giving you tips to prevent migraine, and these are the tips that are based on my personal experience that I have found out after doing a lot of research when I used to have migraine attacks, and this may or may not suit you. So there may be different measures that could help you, but these are the preventive measures and the tips that help me personally to cope up with migraines and headaches. So yeah, without making the intro too long, let's just jump into the video. Tip is avoid triggers. There may be a lot of triggers that may lead to your migraine attacks. You need to recognize them, and whenever you have a migraine attack, you need to keep a track of the things that you did before that particular time when you got a migraine attack. So for me, my triggers are stress, not sleeping on time, disturbed sleep, crying, long screen time, and going out in sun or humidity. Also long and hectic schedules. So for me, if all these things happen one after the other continuously for 2 to 3 days, then I get a migraine attack. And if any one of these things happen, then I get a mild headache. For example, if I didn't sleep properly yesterday and I had a disturbed sleep, or I slept late yesterday, so I'll get a mild headache today. But if I continue this for 2 to 3 days, then I'll get a migraine attack. So basically, you need to recognize your triggers, then avoid them in order to not get a migraine attack. So the second tip is decrease your screen time. Sitting in front of computers, phones and laptops for a long time may strain your eyes, which will lead to migraines or headaches. I know it's very tough nowadays to avoid this thing because of this COVID situation. Everything is online. There's work from home. Schools and classes are online. Colleges are online. So it's very tough. So what you can do is take break every 20 minutes, and you can splash water on your eyes, which will help to relax your eyes and which will de-stress your eyes, so that you may not get a migraine attack or you may not get a headache afterwards. So try this and tell me in the comment section below if it was helpful. So the next tip is maintain a proper sleep schedule, and as I mentioned that disturbed sleep is one of my triggers. I need to sleep by 10:30. My doctor has recommended me to sleep by 10:30, and yes, it's too early, I know that. Yes, I do sleep at 10:30, but that's what's best for my health, so I need to strictly follow it and sleep by 10:30. There are definitely few days when I am awake till 11 or 12 o'clock, but on the next days I do get mild headaches, and as I mentioned that if I continue doing this thing for 2 to 3 days, then I definitely get a migraine attack. Then I have to have a medicine. So the fourth tip is avoid having foods that cause migraine, and keep a track of the foods that you had before you got a migraine attack, and if there is something in common, you should definitely avoid it. So try this and see if you find something in common. For me, one of those triggers is MSG, that is monosodium glutamate, which is used in Chinese food. So whenever I order Chinese from outside, I tell them not to put MSG in my Chinese, and this is how I avoid having migraine attacks. Also, I've seen a lot of people who have migraine attacks due to having cheese, mayonnaise, etc., and I do suggest them to avoid having it. So the fifth tip is include yoga and meditation in your daily schedule. It would definitely help you to relax and de-stress your mind and your body as well, so that you may not get a migraine attack next time. So the next tip is to get a head massage done whenever you have a migraine attack. So whenever you get a migraine attack or you have a mild headache, tell someone in your family to give you a nice chumpy. And whenever I used to have migraine attacks, I used to tell my mom to oil my hair and give a nice massage to me. Believe me, it used to help a lot, and the migraine attack used to almost disappear. I didn't used to feel anything, and I used to feel so relaxed. So the last tip is using ice. Whenever you feel that you're gonna have a migraine attack, whenever you feel that your eyes are stressed or you have a mild headache, then take a few cubes of ice and gently apply it on your eyes or on the neck portion or on the forehead. You will feel so relaxed, and it is the best thing. It has even avoided a lot of my migraine attacks. I used to feel really good after doing that. Many a times when I used to realize that I'm gonna have a migraine attack, I used to do this, and then I didn't used to get a migraine attack. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you guys. I hope you feel much better after using these tips, and comment down below if it was helpful. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.